Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Outlook and confirm your account is Exchange or Microsoft 365 because server-side replies run even when Outlook is closed. Once confirmed, go to File, then Automatic Replies. Make sure you have 2 messages ready, one for coworkers and one for outside senders, because you'll set different text for internal versus external audiences. This step ensures automatic replies behave predictably and that external recipients don't. Once the automatic replies window is open, toggle on, and if you want time-limited replies, check send replies only during this time and pick start and end dates. Then paste your internal message in the internal box and your public version in the external box, because external text should be shorter and less specific. If you need custom handling, click rules to forward, move, or delete messages while you're away. Make sure rules don't conflict with server settings, and test with a colleague to confirm behavior. Finish by clicking OK to save your settings and then verify. Send test emails from both an internal and an external address so you see both messages. Once you return, disable automatic replies or let the end date stop them automatically. If replies never send, check whether your account is non-exchange. Client-only replies won't work when Outlook is closed, and if needed, log into Outlook web app and set automatic replies there. If admin policies block external messages, contact IT to enable them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.